Swordfish, nature's ocean guardian. Exploring the speed, solitude, and significance of a remarkable predator.
By AI for Kids. Join us on an aquatic adventure as we explore the swordfish's mesmerizing life in the ocean. This book unveils the swordfish's speed, ecological importance, and enduring cultural influence. Through rich stories and ecological insights, discover what makes the swordfish a true guardian of the seas. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Speed of the ocean.
Embrace the wonder of speed as we delve into the swift world of the swordfish. These astonishing creatures can reach speeds up to 60 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest swimmers in the ocean. This exceptional adaptability allows them to chase down and capture prey with remarkable efficiency and grace.
Gliding effortlessly through the waves, the swordfish's speed is unmatched in the vast ocean. Watch as they cut through the water, leaving a trail of splendor in their wake. Imagine the thrill of racing with such agility, feeling the ocean winds blend into the sea's embrace.
Home in the depths.
The swordfish finds its home in the warm and temperate waters of the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. Preferring the open ocean, they explore depths ranging from the surface to 550 meters. Their habitat is a dance of light and darkness, a vast kingdom where they reign as elegant wanderers.
Beneath the sunlit ripples or the shadowy depths, the swordfish navigates its profound oceanic world. This majestic creature is both a part of and apart from the open blue. The ocean is an endless embrace, a realm of constant discovery and boundless freedom.
The sword of the sea.
Noteworthy for their singular physical trait, the swordfish brandishes a long, flat bill resembling a sword. This natural weapon is a crucial tool in hunting, allowing them to slash and incapacitate their prey, which includes smaller fish and squid. Their unique design is an evolutionary marvel, combining form and function seamlessly.
A lone warrior of the deep, the swordfish wields its bill with precision. A testament to nature's ingenuity, it is as much art as it is a vital hunting implement. In the hidden world beneath the waves, my sword is my strength, each slash a dance of survival.
A solitary voyager.
The swordfish is a solitary voyager, often embarking on solo journeys through the ocean currents. Known for their migratory patterns, these fish navigate great distances, a testament to their resilience and instinctual prowess. Their nighttime surface swims and deeper excursions by day reveal a life of quiet endurance and exploration.
Beneath the starlit sky and sun-dappled waves, the swordfish moves alone, a silent wanderer guided by nature's unseen paths. In solitude, I find my strength. The ocean's whispers guide me, and the tides cradles my wandering heart.
Life in a new generation.
The cycle of life continues as swordfish gather in warm waters to spawn. Each female releases millions of eggs, a cascade of potential and new beginnings. In the nurturing warmth, young swordfish grow swiftly, inspired by nature's rhythm, entering the vast ocean world to carve their own destinies and roles. In the balmy embrace of the ocean, life begins anew.
This moment of renewal captures the essence of nature's timeless cycle. Amidst the warm water's cradle, I feel life's continuity, a legacy imprinted in future currents.
The apex of ecosystem.
As apex predators, swordfish maintain a crucial balance in marine ecosystems, controlling the populations of their prey. Their presence echoes through the ocean community, a natural regulator that ensures the health and diversity of life thrives unseen beneath the waves.
In the dynamic currents of marine life, swordfish exemplify nature's delicate balance of vital force in the intricate web of underwater existence. In this ocean tapestry, I stand vigilant, my existence a testament to nature's perfect equilibrium.
Challenges on the horizon.
Although currently listed as of least concern, swordfish face the threat of overfishing and bycatch. Measures and international regulations support their conservation, seeking a balance between human interest and this majestic creature's survival. Their future depends on sustainable fishing practices and a renewed respect for oceanic life.
The future unfurls with challenges for the swordfish, a stark reminder of humanity's role in the stewardship of our planet's natural wonders. Guardians in balance, we walk the line between abundance and preservation, a shared responsibility for tomorrow's currents.
Symbol of bravery.
In various cultures, the swordfish symbolizes bravery, power, and speed, representing an apex predator's life. Its cultural footprint extends beyond the ocean, inspiring tales of strength and valor, from ancient legends to modern sport fishing, capturing the human spirit's admiration for nature's feats.
Emanating courage and strength, the swordfish is a beacon of inspiration across waters and cultures, a majestic testament to nature's artistry. As I glide through both sea and legend, I embody courage, a symbol of ancient tales brought alive by ocean winds.